Hi everyone, this is Runil Ghosh, physical education teacher, and today our topic is benefits of play. In the previous topic, we have discussed about play and their characteristics. Today, we will be discussing about benefits of play. Benefits of play, as you all know, खेलने से हमें क्या लाभ क्या फायदे होते हैं. That is called as benefits of play. So there are total 8 points which I will be discussing with you. I will be telling you in brief, and you have to note all these 8 points. Okay? So let's start. Point number 1 in benefits of play is physical development. As you all know that whenever you play any game, any sports, it develops you physically. Your height, weight, growth, your physique, everything gets developed because of your different types of actions and exercises you used to do while playing a particular game. Point number 2 is play makes a child creative. When you play, lot of creative ideas comes to your mind while performing any of the activities on the ground, on a particular event or on a particular sports. So it makes every child, every individual very creative. They can do their activities the way they want. Their mind gives them very newly ideas and as well as creativity, which helps them to find new ways of doing that particular action differently. Point number 3 is play helps in reducing stress and tension. As we all know that whenever we go for playing a particular game, it helps us, each of us, to reduce the stress and tension which we are facing in everyday life. Point number 4, social development. When we go for playing in the outfield to play a game, we used to meet many new friends, new teams, new opponents. So there is a social development. We used to know them. We used to make them in our as a new friends. So social development comes when you used to go for playing a game. Point number 5: play is helpful in teaching and learning. See, whenever you go for playing a game, it helps in teaching and learning. Lot of things you can learn. There is nothing like junior and senior. The senior says, or a trainer or a coach can say that I know everything. Even a coach can also learn from their students. So, play is helpful in teaching and learning new things, new ideas, new creativity, new ways of doing that particular action. So, while playing, it is very helpful in teaching and learning lot of things. We can learn lot of things, lot of exercises, lot of actions, lot of techniques, tactics, everything we can learn. Point number 6, play helps to keep everyone physically fit. When you play and when you play regularly, at least 1 hour each day, proper outfield game, it will keep you physically fit. There will be no other side problems, or you can say any sort of disease can touch you when you play regularly. Point number 7, play helps in mental alertness. When you play, you are physically on the ground, Physically you are walking, you are running, you are doing exercises, you are very active. But before you do physical activities, mental alertness is very much needed. Means if you are physically there in the ground, your mental presence is also needed before your physical presence to concentrate and to learn many things. So mental alertness comes through playing a game or playing and doing an activity on the ground. Because mentally you are thinking that I am going to play cricket, mentally you are thinking that I am going to play badminton, mentally you are thinking that I am going to running or jogging or doing some exercises. So mental alertness is always there. Point number 8, play brings happiness. Everybody knows, every youngster knows that whenever you play, you enjoy a lot. By winning a match or by if somebody wants that his favorite thing is batting in cricket, or you can say fielding in cricket, or shooting a football. So it brings happiness, it brings satisfaction to an individual, and at the end of the day, he is mentally sound and physically fit. So these were the benefits of play. 8 points are there. There are a few more points, but these were the main 8 points which you have to note it down in your copy and just go through over this. If you have any problem, you can discuss and you can ask me again anytime. Thank you for now.